RTE will be hit with a massive tax bill on the €150,000 paid back by its former star presenter Ryan Tubridy, setting the broadcaster up for a loss on the repayment of the controversial top-up which plunged it into financial crisis 2 years ago. Conal Thomas reports that RTE has confirmed the money paid back by Mr Tubridy in August will be subject to corporation tax at a rate of 12.5% after engaging experts KPMG to assess the implications of the repayment. Mr Tubridy repaid RTE the €150,000 he received as part of a controversial payment deal made in 2020. He left the national broadcaster in 2023 following weeks of controversy relating to the organisation publicly under-reporting payments to him. Mr Tubridy was to be paid a total of €225,000 over 3 years by the national broadcaster as part of a deal to top up his salary, which was not disclosed by RTE in its accounts. The presenter was paid 2 instalments of €75,000 by RTE for personal appearances for commercial sponsor Renault as part of the contentious deal. The tripartite agreement involved Mr Tubridy making 3 appearances per year at Renault events. RTE executives previously said Renault paid Mr Tubridy the first €75,000 but then pulled out of the agreement. The sums were processed through a barter account which shielded the payments from public view. Mr Tubridy participated in 1 promotional event for Renault, but the second and third events did not take place. The sums were not classified in the broadcaster's annual accounts as salary payments. A spokesman for RTE told the Irish Independent the tax treatment for the Tubridy repayment had now been finalised.